In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com WorkDocs. We'll create a new WorkDoc from your account, set the right visibility, add text and structure, insert a table and a checklist, view the outline for quick navigation, grab a share link, and present it full screen. Follow along on your own screen as I guide you through each action and explain what's happening. Start on your Monday.com homepage. If you're in a CRM or any workspace, the process is the same. Look for the blue plus button in the interface. This is your quick create menu. Click it to open the creation options, then choose Doc. This tells Monday.com you want to spin up a new WorkDoc rather than a board or another item type. On the next panel, select New Doc to open a blank document canvas. Before typing anything, give your doc a clear title. Click the title field at the top and type a meaningful name, like Sample, or something descriptive your team will recognize later. Naming your doc now makes it easier to search, organize, and share down the line. Next, choose the right visibility. If you want this to be just for you, click Private. If you plan to collaborate with people who aren't full team members or want tighter control over who sees it, click Shareable. If this should be open to your main team or workspace by default, click Main. Picking the right option now prevents permission headaches later, and you can usually adjust it if your needs change. When you're ready, click Create Doc to confirm and open the editor. You'll land inside your new WorkDoc. To start adding content, find the small blue plus button just beneath the title. Click it to open the block menu, then choose Normal Text to insert a standard text block. Place your cursor in the block, type your first line, Sample works fine for now, and press Enter to commit it. This is the foundation of your content, and you can always format it further. If you want to insert more elements, use the Add controls visible in the editor to bring in different block types. Choose Table if you want a simple grid to organize data. Tables are great for quick lists, lightweight tracking, or side-by-side comparisons. You can add or remove rows and columns later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first pass. To stay organized as your document grows, turn on the outline. Click Show Docs Outline to display a navigation panel that reflects your headings. As you format headings in your content, the outline updates automatically, giving you a quick way to jump around longer docs without scrolling. When you're ready to add more specialized content, click the small blue plus button again under your current block. This time, click More options to expand the full library of content types. From here, choose Checklist to insert a task style list directly in the doc. Once it appears, click into the newly added checklist and type your first item, like Sample or any task label you need. Checklists are great for action items, review steps, or agendas, and they keep tasks visible right where your notes live. If you need to share the document quickly, look for the pin icon in the doc's header. Click it to copy a link you can send to others. Keep in mind that link access respects the visibility setting you chose earlier, so make sure private, shareable, or main matches how widely you want this link to work. For presenting your content, click the slideshow button to enter a full screen, distraction-free view. This is perfect for walking through notes in a meeting or showcasing a plan without the editor Chrome. When you're finished presenting, click the X to exit slideshow mode and return to the standard editor. That's it. You created a new WorkDoc, set the appropriate visibility, added text, inserted a table and a checklist, used the outline for navigation, copied a share link, and presented in full screen. Save your changes as you go, keep titles clear, and use the outline and checklists to maintain structure and momentum. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Monday.com WorkDocs.